Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Uh, Losing my cats was the biggest tragedy that ever happened to me. I have faced betrayal from people in my family, blood relations, contacts, friends, acquaintances because having cats was the experience of my life that taught me that there is loyalty that exists in this world. My cats are not alive anymore, but the biggest lesson that I learned from them was that you don't need a language to communicate your love. The love of cats is extremely unconditional. And sometimes when that moment strikes me suddenly, when I get a flashback of the time when I lost my cats, my hand gets frozen like this. I'm like this. I get this frozen thing happening to me for a few seconds. It has happened to me many times. It might happen to me when I'm traveling in a bus or going somewhere or sitting in my room. I am so sorry to lose my cats uh, because of severe negligence from the vet of my cat. There were there was irresponsibility from my side also. But to diagnose the problem, to diagnose the exact disease problem, to conduct the required x-rays, any MRI, any scan needed, it's the responsibility of the vet. And if they will not guide me, if they will not do that timely, and my cat suffered because of this and my cat died eventually, I can never forget that moment. And I have this strong faith that on the day of judgment, the vets will be responsible in Allah's court, and they have to pay the price for making my cat suffer so badly. And it was more than one vet involved in that. It's so scary to even think of that time. May Allah bless all the innocent cats in this world and bless them with good health if they are facing any problem, and may Allah save them, protect them from cruelty. Ameen. Just remember, never ignore your cat's symptoms. Never. If your cat seems to be vomiting a lot, just rush to a good vet or any. I'm just giving an example. May Allah bless all the cats. Ameen.